Hi, my name is John Gabriel Coesa, and this is my performance task in Oral Com. My performance task is about my friend, and the title of my performance task is My Bro Bro. The quiet space where silence dwells their story, only true friends tells. It is the shared glances, the knowing smile, and the way we journey through each other's trials. When the world feels heavy and the night seems long, it's your voice I hear, our reassuring song, thought, laughter, and tears, in joy and strife. You're the constant echo in the rhythm of my life. We walk through shadows and dance in light. Punch trying each other through every fight. With ordinary shared feels so very necessary. Your heart an open book, each page a grace. Sanctuary of warmth in a fleeting space. In your eyes, I see the reflection of my own, a mirror of friendship that deeply now. So here to the bond that time can sever a friendship that endures now and forever. For in every laugh, every tears, every cheer, you're my anchor, my guide always near. In the dance of life, a friend so true. You're the melody to my rhythm, it's you. 12 days of my sun night, of moon, in heartbeats shared our bond in tune. With laughter, echo, and tears we shed and whispered secretly our soul. Our feet trod the tongue that fiercely blow. Together we stand throne and flow. In your smile I found my light guiding me through darkness night. So here's to us forever intertwined in the journey called life. You're a treasure so kind. Friendship, song, forever song. A melody sweet, forever young. The every season, come what my, you're my friend in every way. Feel free and just to fit your friend personality of the occasion.